The NYSE American has accepted AgEagle's plan, submitted on May 21, 2025, outlining the actions the company will take to regain compliance with the listing rules by October 23, 2026. Although the notice has no immediate impact on the listing of AgEagle's shares, which will continue to trade on the NYSE American under the symbol UAVS, with an added BC designation indicating below compliance status. AgEagle is working diligently to regain compliance within the plan period, but there are no guarantees of success. If the company fails to comply with the listing rules by the expiration of the plan period or it doesn't make progress consistent with the plan, the NYSE American staff may initiate delisting proceedings. AgEagle can appeal any delisting determination according to Section 1010 and Part 12 of the company guide. In the meantime, AgEagle announced the first sale of its advanced EB Vision fixed-wing drone in Thailand, marking a significant step in expanding its presence across Southeast Asia. The sale was facilitated by local partner Sky Visual Imaging Venture, Sky VIV, a trusted AgEagle partner since 2012. Sky VIV is a leader in promoting EB drones for agriculture and civil monitoring in Thailand, particularly in the sugar industry. The EB Vision delivers cutting-edge capabilities for fast-moving airborne surveillance, including live video and tracking tailored for emergency and security services. According to SkyViv's COO report Top Pivotal, the EB Vision perfectly addresses the growing demand for fixed-wing drones for real-time video and tracking. SkyViv CEO Mr. Vivadong Vishwavadakan praised AgEagle's drones and sensors, saying they have proven exceptional for large-scale agriculture and civil engineering projects. The unmanned aerial system, UAS, market in Southeast Asia is projected to experience significant growth, with a 14% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years, according to a report by Grandview Research. This growth will be driven by supportive government policies and declining cost of ownership, with drones seeing increased use in various sectors such as agriculture, security and emergency services, disaster response, construction, and energy and border security. In addition to Thailand, AgEagle sold and deployed 5 advanced EBX drones integrated with MicaSense SODA 3D mapping cameras to ATVO's Agroindustrial SA, a leading Brazilian producer of sugarcane-based ethanol, sugar, and renewable energy. ATVOS will utilize AgEagle's unmanned aerial systems across its 1.2 million acres of sugarcane to enhance productivity, improve environmental stewardship, and reduce operational costs. Specifically, ATVOS is using AgEagle's technologies to advance 2 core initiatives: crop failure analysis and targeted weed control. By leveraging high-resolution drone imagery and proprietary algorithms, ATVOS can identify gaps in planting and generate failure index reports, improving mechanized operations quality and efficiency. Additionally, pre-harvest drone mapping enables ATVOS to locate weed concentrations in dense cane fields, directing herbicide application by drone and significantly cutting chemical usage, lowering costs, and reducing environmental impact. The drone flights take place 60 to 90 days after planting, producing precision maps with 3 cm spatial resolution that integrate with agricultural machinery's autopilot systems. This integration improves travel accuracy to within 15 centimeters, minimizing crop damage and soil compaction. Initial results indicate an estimated 5% increase in sugarcane yields. This deployment aligns with ATVO's recent 11 billion Brazilian reals investment in its new business division to diversify and scale its biofuel portfolio. The Pentagon's Replicator program, focused on fast-tracking drone production, is estimated to cost around $500 million per year. The Defense Innovation Unit, DIU, has launched the Blue UAS program to rapidly vet and integrate commercial unmanned aerial systems for the Department of Defense. Recent legislative measures, including executive orders like Unleashing American Drone Dominance, aim to prioritize American-made UAVs and streamline the procurement process for NDA-compliant manufacturers. The market is driven by growing demand for unmanned systems, technological advancements, and rising geopolitical tensions and defense budgets, as well as the advantages like reduced risk to personnel, persistent surveillance, and versatility for many types of missions. At the same time, integration of AI and machine learning, miniaturization, improved battery life, and drone swarming technology are driving innovation and expanding drone capabilities. The shift towards smaller, tactical drones is also a notable trend, providing real-time situational awareness to ground troops and ideal for short-range missions. Indeed, a positive development for AgEagle's EB Vision drone, which received Blue UAS certification just a week after its EB-TAC model achieved the same distinction. This certification makes the EB Vision eligible for procurement by the U.S. Department of Defense and other federal agencies, recognizing its compliance with security and performance standards required by the DoD. According to Bill Irby, CEO of AgEagle Aerial Systems, this achievement will enable fast acquisition and delivery of the drone's capabilities to the defense community, addressing evolving battlefield and security scenarios. The EB Vision certification builds on its previous Green UAS certification, which is now a direct pathway to Blue UAS classification. The DoD's Defense Innovation Unit adopted the Green UAS certification as a pathway to Blue UAS cleared status, streamlining secure drone acquisition across government applications. This development reflects months of collaboration between the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International, DIU, and federal stakeholders, aligning with Executive Order 14307 and the Secretary of Defense's memorandum to rapidly field NDA-compliant drones. The EB Vision drone offers advanced features, including up to 100 minutes of flight time, electro-optical and thermal imaging, and secure data transmission for real-time situational awareness. Its compact design, low acoustic signature, and rapid deployment make it suitable for tactical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. With a weight of just 3.3 pounds, the drone supports the DoD's need for low-cost, scalable, and expendable drones.